Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss the different types of navigation and identify the different plotting instruments and their uses. Celestial navigation. Celestial navigation utilization of the notice places of celestial bodies to decide and navigate their situation. Terrestrial and coastal navigation. Terrestrial and coastal navigation strategies expected for an official responsible for a navigational watch level permanent. Electronic navigation. Electronic navigation are types of navigation that ship, land vehicles, and individuals can utilize which depend on innovation controlled by electricity. Radio navigation. Radio navigation frameworks are regularly applied in air, land, and marine navigation. They are mostly frequently utilized for position assurance. Radar navigation. Radar navigation is the use of marine and flying radar frameworks for vessel and airplane navigation at the point when an Earth is inside radar scope of land and unique radar helps to navigation. The navigator can take distance and prices direction to diagram and items and utilize this layout curves of position and lines of position on a chart. Satellite navigation. Satellite navigation is characterized as the science that gives the genuine data in regards to the area and timing administrations of the client by the utilization of satellites. Fundamentally, in satellite navigation various satellites are utilized to recognize the client's area by piercing out his direction comparative with his longitude and scope of the Earth. Phases of navigation of the voyage. Compromises of the planning before a turn it is start. In this stage it means quiet a bit to accumulate the future all important data to effectively direct the turning stage. Phase 2 is the basic turning stage for the vessel where the vessel changes directions. In this stage, it is basic that the pilot's attention is on the conning and environmental factors of the boat to ensure my turn is executed accurately. Phase 3 comprise of the control stage after an adjustment of the oars. Following the turn, the guide gaiters done to lay out whether the boat is in the anticipated right position. This stage likewise comprises of the repeating pattern of parsing the set and float of
Okay mga sir ha?
and pattern.
Mag-
Phase 4. In this the travel stage where the vessel is traveling between two wheel over focuses. In this stage, it is vital that the pilot consistently screen the place of the vessel both by the visual and regular control strategies. Stage 3 and 4 is an iterative cycle unit until the following arrange is reaching and the period's route begins once more. 4 navigation tools you need for the chart reading and plotting courses. Dividers. Estimating the distance between two focuses on a diagram is made simpler with dividers. Dividers permit you to quantify distance in nautical miles when utilized related to the scope size of your nautical guide. Technical compass, a specialized drawing instrument utilized for recording circles and bends and to gauge distances. Parallel ruler, flat bearing on your nautical outline with an equal ruler. With two straight edges, pivot and equal ruler permits you to keep up with a similar point along the diagram by substituting and dropping edge and holding down the stationary edge. Protractor. There is a scope of protractors accessibility relying upon your own inclination which might be founded on the utilized in school. The Wims protractor is utilized to lay up kilter up or bearing, measuring distance between any two focuses. Plot a situation on a graph from a given arrangement of directions, or decide direction of position on diagram.